Bili tayo ng pampansit mo, Shane. Luluto ako mamaya. Meron yan. Meron dito. Coffee in the morning. Gutom ka rin. Morning. Morning, bro. On your left. Thank you. Yes. CR muna, Wiwi. Saan ang men's? Is it open? It is open. Saan ka?
Tumingin lang ako doon.
Malinis naman. Ay, ito pala yung men eh. And so Hillsborough County, Upper Tampa Bay Trail. This is 1 hour and 30 minutes drive from where we live. Yan ang aming e-bike. And hay bike tsaka electric bikes. Let's go. Say hi, honey.
Oh, hi.
Alright, continue. 6 more miles. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Ayan, ganda oh, malinis. Good morning. Cute. Morning, buddy. Upper Tampa Bay Trail. Hi, honey. Balik tayo. Sa ilalim tayo pala.
Honey?
Sa ilalim. Let's go. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Weekday nga pala ngayon. Wala masyadong tao. Hindi ang kagandahan. Weekdays off. For us nurses in the medical field, that's better. Morning, buddy. Morning, ma'am. What's this? Got bridges. What is this, honey? Nothing? Oh yeah, nothing. Let's go back. Wala lang, kala ko may daanan eh. But why is that the water color brown? Morning. Alright, let's go. Morning, brother. See another bridge. Slow blind curve ahead. Blind corner, proceed with caution. Alright. This is nice. It's a nice trail. One of the nicest. Alligator crossing, really? Alligator crossing. On your left. Thank you. Another bridge. Let's go. Morning. Oh, there's a lot of doggies, doggos. On your left, on your left. Thank you, guys. On your left, ma'am. Thank you. We have another bridge. It's an uphill bridge. Nice. It's an incline bridge. On your left, ma'am. Go. Ayan, narating na namin ang aming destinasyon. 8 miles total. 7 to 8 miles. Upper Tampa Bay Trail. 8 miles one way. Ayan, may basketball court. Hillsborough County. So from here, dyan kami nagsimula. Ganyan. And there. 8 miles. One way. May bike rack ba? Ayan pa yan. Madulas ka? Citrus Park Cafe, craft coffee, breakfast and lunch. Diyan tayo magbe-breakfast. Flower.
The red peppers.
나의 맘에 조금씩 자리 잡은 널 느낄 때면 괜히 잠을 설치고 괜한 이유로 내게 연락해 매번 같은 실수를 반복해 이런 마음이 익숙지 않아 끝없이 생각에 빠져 허우적거릴 뿐이야 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지 않는 너의 메아리를 기다려 Let me know if you have the same feeling as I do
And Citrus Cafe. It's beside the trail, the bike trail. Katabi lang siya ng bike trail. Ayan. Bike trail. Good morning. Morning. On your left. Thank you. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahang nililibing ng buhay pa. It's a beautiful day. It's 7 minutes away pa eh. Yung observation deck pin.
Okay.
I don't know if that's it. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahang nililibing ng battery. Bigat. Ito yung battery sa kotse para hindi mo bigat buhat ng bike. Daliin ng handle. Tutorial. Bili na kayo ng bike, electric bike. Sobrang gandang leisure, lalo na yung mga nurses saka medtech. Seryoso. Lalo na dito sa area namin. Maraming trail, magandang bike trail. Fold ang bike. Boobs. 3, 2, 1. Wait. All good in the hood. Guys, ayoko pang bumili ng trailer or ng bike rack. Okay. Exercise na rin ire. Wala tayong activity. Physical activity. Activity?
Activity. Oh, don't forget my water.
Wala. Wala. Wala.
How do you fold the electric?
Here. Remove the pedal.
Mm-hmm.
Bend the handlebar.
Mm-hmm.
Lower the seats. Okay? Lower the seats. Oh. Good. And release this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Then fold. Fold in the middle.
Oh.
Easy peasy. yata dinata natin. Yun o. Ayan nga.
Yeah.
Work up kami. Tapos ito yung ano.
Yeah. Sa ilalim.
Ilalim.
I like that.
Cool.
I like that. Yeah, I like that. I like the trail. May nakita tayo. Pag may nakita ko na nakakainan natin or popular talaga na dinadayo.
Yeah.
Eh, meron namang 8 minutes away yun by car, honey. Downtown. Doon sa napili ko na hotel. Hindi na maganda rin.
Tayo ngayon sa Lian Hoa Asian Store. Bili tayo ng pampansit mo, Shane. Luluto ako mamaya. So price niya is $2.38. Silver Swan $3.98. Malaki na to. Kuha din tayo ng oyster sauce, $5.38. Malaki na rin. Ito rin. Nor pork cubes. Isang pack. 6 cubes na siya. $1.68. Ayos. Kuha tayo niyan. Kuha na tayo ng gulay. Ito, pili tayo. Repolyo. Maliit lang. Ito, pwede na to. $2.20. Carrots. Kuha rin tayo ng carrots. Ito na lang, $2.36. Kuha rin tayo ng pangsahog na karne. Pork belly na lang, pork belly. $6.36. Pansit. Ala Jed Dungo. Happy birthday, Shane. Uwian na. Okay, so ito yung mga ingredients natin. Meron tayong gulay, repolyo, carrot. Meron tayong pinalambot na pork liempo, squid balls, kikiam. Meron tayong onion, garlic, tayong hipon, toyo, oyster sauce, paminta, tapos asin. Then yung pampalasa pa na pork cubes. Gagamitin natin sotanghon. Yan. So yan lahat ng ingredients, water para sa broth natin. So yan. Magandang hapon, magandang hapon. Okay, ito gamitin natin olive oil. Bawang. Next is yung onion, toyo, dato puti, ang ating oyster sauce, yung paminta. Yun nga pala, tip lang sa mga bibili ng bahay sa Amerika. Kung mahilig kayo magluto, piliin nyo yung may lanay na pwede kayong mag-set up ng outside kitchen or dirty kitchen like this. So may kitchen, may stove sa loob, meron ding lutuan sa labas para hindi mangamoy yung bahay. Alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo magluto, aamoy yan sa bahay, sa loob. Lalo na dito sa Amerika, ang air conditioning system centralized usually. Alright, susunod na natin yung tubig. Then yung ating pork cubes. Nor pork cubes. Okay, so kumukulo na. Lagay na natin ang sotanghon. Pa-absorb lang natin yung sabaw. So natin itong kikiam, squid balls, yung ating pork belly, yung ating gulay. So na, luto na. Plate na natin. Ito para kay Shane to. Happy birthday, Shane, aking brother-in-law. Sila ay nasa Pennsylvania. Shout out. Special pansit sotanghon, Shane. Kung pwede ko lang ipadala na hindi mapapanis, why not? Tapos lalagyan pa natin yan ng hipon. 3 hipon, I love you. 1 for 3. Hindi na, lahat na. Meron pa sa rep nito kung magkulang. So ito na, Shane. Happy birthday. Special pansit. So ito na, Shane. Happy birthday. Special pansit sotanghon. Made by yours truly. May hipon pa. Happy birthday, Shane. Ingat palagi. God bless always.